Probably the number one thing that stops beginner guitar enthusiasts dead in their tracks when it comes to learning the guitar is the pain in their fingers in the very beginning. We all have to go through it. It's a rite of passage as a guitar player. Good news, it doesn't always hurt. Your fingers will toughen up. My name is Brandon. This is MyPOVGuitar. I help you learn the guitar from your point of view. It makes it faster and easier to learn to play guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you some really easy exercises to help toughen up your fingers, but it's also, there's a Trojan horse in there. Not only is it strengthening your fingers, it's going to get your right hand and your left hand to communicate with each other. This hand needs to know what this hand is doing and vice versa. That will make you a better guitar player. Let's get to it from your point of view. Okay, let's toughen up these fingers. Our fingers are numbered: 1 index finger, 2 middle, 3 ring, 4 pinky, okay? So on the first string, we're going to take our first finger and put it on the first fret. This exercise here, we're just going to work our ring finger, finger number 3, and finger number 1, our index. So here and here, okay? So you press down on the first string, on the first fret with your first finger. Make sure that rings out, okay? I want you to then take your ring finger and stretch out to the 3rd fret on that first string. You can leave your first finger there, because anything this way, that's all you're going to hear. So there's no need to take your first finger off, right? It doesn't matter, right? So go ahead and have it poised, right? Make sure those ring out. Okay? So with your right hand, that's just a pick. You're going to pick the string for each touch. 1, 2. Every time you pick, like that, okay? Pretty easy, but make sure everything rings out and is clear. The next thing I want you to do is pick one time. Do what we just did, except subtract 1 strum with this hand. So it will be. See if you can get that to ring out. That's a hammer-on, okay? Okay, so we're going pick, 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 pick. See if you can get that down, okay? That's all for that one. Now the next exercise is similar, but what we're going to do, we're going to move up to the 2nd fret. Okay, and we're still going to use our first finger. This time we're going to go first, middle on the 3rd fret. Our 2nd finger is going to go on the 3rd fret, first string. Then we're going to use our pinky to go to the 5th fret. Okay? We're always working the index finger in these exercises, but first it was the index and the ring. Now it's the index, middle, and pinky. Okay, now this one's going to take a little longer, right? Same concept, except you're doing 3 picks, right? Make sure every note rings out. If it's buzzing or muted, you're not pressing down. Everything needs to be clean. Then I want you to go pick twice. It's probably not going to ring out, but just try it. There you go. It's the same concept. You're having to learn not to pick every time, or maybe you're going to pick every time. Your left and right are working together now. You're having to think about it a little bit. It's going to take a minute. You're not going to just do it straight off the bat. That's fine. So pick it every time. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to try one pick. Pick it one time and do all 3 fingerings, okay? Just do that as you're pedaling, as a warm-up, as you're watching TV, when you're, just kind of make it be kind of muscle memory. After a while, you won't have to think about it. Just do that. It seems boring. It's building muscle memory though. You're getting lefty and righty to work together. If you need one-on-one help from me, go to MyPOVGuitar.com. There'll be a link in the description and in the comment section. Check it out, guys. Until then, we'll see you in the next lesson.